Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve this system of equation. So here solve the nonlinear system of equation for unknown angle alpha, beta, gamma. Here alpha belongs to 0 is less than or equal to alpha is less than or equal to 2 pi, and beta in between 0 is less than or equal to beta is less than or equal to 2 pi, and gamma 0 is less than or equal to gamma which is strictly less than pi. Here this is my system of equation, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Here 3 equation and 3 unknowns are sin alpha, cos beta and tan gamma are my unknowns. Just in place of x, y, z they take sin x, sin alpha, cos beta and tan gamma. So these are the unknown variable. I have to find the value of alpha, beta and gamma in terms of sin, cos and tan. So here this is simply the system of equation, that is non-homogeneous system of equation. So the just matrix form of this equation is just A. So just write the matrix form of equation Ax equal to B. Means here A is the first row of A is matrix A is the coefficient of sin alpha is my A1 by entry. Here the second entry is this is coefficient of cos beta minus 1. The third entry is the coefficient of tan gamma, that is 3. And here second row of this matrix is corresponding to the second equation, that is this 4, this 2 and this minus 2. The third row is corresponding to this 6, minus 3 and 1. Now here in place of x, y, z, here just sin alpha, cos beta and simply here tan gamma. Now just write B matrix here, constant 3, 2, 9. Now your aim is to convert this matrix. Just now second step is to write the augmented matrix B of the system Ax equal to B. The A augmented matrix is A augmented matrix B. Now write here A 2 minus 1 3 3 4 2 minus 2, that is here 2, here 6 minus 3 1 and this is 9. Now I want to convert this matrix into the echelon. So I want to convert this matrix into the echelon form. Here just first I will divide this entire row R1 by 2 so that this term becomes 1. So here can I apply here elementary operation as 1 by 2 to entire row R1 so that this 2 becomes 1. Here I get the resultant matrix as here 1 minus 1 by 2 and this is 3 by 2 and this is here 3 by 2. Now second row is as it is. Here this is 4, 2 minus 2 and this is 2. Now third row, this is 6 minus 3 and this is 1 and this is 9. Now अब ये मेरा एलिमेंट हो गया लीडिंग एलिमेंट, फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एंट्री फ्रॉम लेफ्ट. Now I want to here this is my leading element 1. I want to convert this 4 and 6 into 0. Here I am applying the elementary operation as here R2 changes to R2 minus 4 times R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 6 times R1. Here I get the resultant matrix as here my first row is as it is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 and this is 3 by 2. Now tell me my second row, 4 minus 4 times 1 is 0. 2 minus here 2 minus 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 plus 4 by 2. Here 2 minus minus plus 4 by 2, that is 2, that is simply 4. Here simply 4. Now here calculate this entry. Here that is minus 2 minus minus here this is minus that is 12 by 2. Here 6 minus 2 minus 6, that is minus 8. Here I get the entry minus 8. Now calculate this entry. This is 2 minus that is 12 by 2, that is 2 minus here 6, that is 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4, which is minus 4. Now calculate this entry. Now third row, 6 minus 6 times 1 0. Here minus 3, here this is minus 3, here this is minus 3 and minus minus plus 6 by 2. So this is minus 3 plus 3 get cancel 0. Now come to calculate this entry. This is simply 1 minus 6 3s are 18 divided by 2, that is 9. here 1 minus 9 which is equal to minus 8, that is simply minus 8. Now here calculate this entry. Here 9 minus 18 by 2, that is 9. Here 9 minus 9, that is 0, which is equal to 0. Now I want to convert this 4 into 1. So can I apply my elementary operation as here 1 by 4 times R2. Here I get the resultant matrix as here 1 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Now here I am multiplying 1 by 4 to the entire row R2, 0, 1, minus 2, that is here this minus 4 plus 4 becomes that is 4 cancel, that is minus 1, this is 0, and this is minus 8 and this is 0. Now here I want to convert, here this is the first non-zero element from left, this is 1. So and all the other entries in the same columns are 0 below to this leading element. Now come to the row R3. This is the first non-zero entry from left up to row R3. I want to convert this minus 8 into 1. Here can I apply the elementary row operation as minus 1 by 8 to the entire row R3. Here I get the resultant matrix as here 1, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2. Now second row as it is 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, that is 0. Now this matrix is converted into the echelon form. Here you can observe one thing. Here this is my matrix A and the rank of this matrix is 3. Now this whole is my matrix A augmented matrix B and the rank of this whole matrix is 3. Therefore rank of A is same as rank of A augmented matrix B is same as 3, which is equal to here number of unknown. If rank of A is same as rank of A augmented matrix B which is equal to 3, which is same as number of unknown, so in this case my system has unique solution. Therefore my system has unique solution. Now we have to write the corresponding system of equation in terms of this matrix. So now tell me that therefore the corresponding system of equation the corresponding system of equation is here. I want to write this system into the here. With the help of this system you are able to write this matrix form Ax is equal to b. अगर इस सिस्टम का यूज करके हम x इक्वल टू b के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं तो इसका बैक सब्स्टिट्यूशन यूज करके इस सिस्टम में लिख सकते हैं x इक्वल टू b के लिए. देयरफॉर sin अल्फा here sin alpha minus 1 by 2 times cos beta here plus 3 by 2 times tan gamma which is equal to here 3 by 2. Now come to here, this is here for second equation. Here cos beta minus 2 times tan gamma which is equal to here say minus 1. Now come to here tan gamma which is equal to 0. Here you know by trigonometry identity, if tan theta equal to 0 you can only for theta equal to 0. Here tan theta is 0 for theta equal to 0 in this range. Here this implies here gamma equal to 0 because here alpha belongs to 0 is less than or equal to here 0 is less than or equal to alpha is less than or equal to 2, 0 is less than or equal to beta is less than or equal to 2 pi and 0 is less than or equal to gamma is less than pi. इस ये जो रेंज है इसके लिए ये जो tan gamma कब 0 होता है जब gamma 0 होता है. दिस इंप्लाइज ये अगर tan gamma इक्वल टू 0 हो गया तो ये पूरी टर्म tan gamma इक्वल टू 0 हो गया. नाउ पुट by using this you can calculate this here cos beta minus 2 times tan gamma is 0 which is equal to minus 1 cos beta ये अगर पूरी टर्म 0 हो गई which is equal to minus 1. So from here you can observe here cos theta equal to 0 for theta equal to let's say pi. So in this range the cos theta equal to 0 where 0 is less than or equal to beta is less than or equal to pi. ये कब 0 होगा जब मेरा बीटा इक्वल टू पाई होगा. नाउ पुट दिस gamma equal to 0 and beta equal to pi in this equation. Here sin alpha minus 1 by 2 times cos pi here plus 3 by 2 times tan 0 which is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore sin alpha, here this is minus 1, here minus 1 by 2 times this is minus 1 plus 3 by 2 times this is 0, this is simply 3 by 2. Here sin alpha which is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, here minus 1, this minus and this minus 1 plus this is 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. ये प्लस पर अगर this is minus 1, this minus minus becomes plus, this is simply plus 1 by 2. Here this calculation is, this is simply plus 1 by 2 and this plus 1 by 2 gets here left hand side converted into minus 1 by 2 which is equal to here 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. Here sin alpha equal to 1. This implies अगर ये हमारा alpha belongs to 0 is less than or equal to alpha is less than or equal to 2 pi, इस रेंज में मेरा sin alpha कब 0 होगा? when alpha equal to pi by 2. एक ही बार 0 होगा क्योंकि मेरा alpha restricted है. alpha 0 के 2 pi जब भी मेरा alpha 0 से लेकर 2 pi होगा, मेरा sin alpha 0 sin pi by 2 equal to 1 एक ही सॉल्यूशन एक ही पॉइंट पे होगा. अगर इस रेंज में मेरा बीटा है तो cos बीटा इक्वल टू -1 मेरा एक ही बार होगा. अब जब मेरा एंगल गामा 0 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू गामा स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन पाई है तो ये tan गामा एक ही बार 0 होगा. इसलिए इस सिस्टम को यूनिक सॉल्यूशन है. अगर आप बोलोगे कि sin थीटा मल्टीपल टाइम्स इन पीरियोडिक एंगल in the periodic interval sin theta is 1 multiple times. Here sin theta is 1 for multiple times, here but here alpha is restricted 0 to 2 pi, here 0 to 2 pi. That's why here sin alpha is plus 1 at single time. That's why here sin alpha, here alpha equal to pi by 2. Here my solution is alpha equal to pi by 2. Here I will write, I don't have space. Here alpha equal to pi by 2 and beta equal to pi and gamma equal to 0 is the unique solution of my given system. Thank you.